no? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo dito, Libra, is you are always the best, no? In whatever aspect, no? You are the best, no? Parang your inner self is cheering you up, no? Kung ano man itong mga ginagawa mo, Libra, no? Your inner self is cheering you up, no? Or cheering, kung parang sabihin natin, number one, nag-cheer sa'yo yung inner self mo, no? Na sinasabi sa'yo na, Libra, you are the best, no? Kung anong ginagawa mo, you are the best, no? Ikaw yung pinaka-the best for that, no? Kung ano man yan, right? No? So, napakaganda ng message din, no? For you, ng iyong inner self, no? Mga Libra natin, no? You are always the best, no? Something like that, right? No? So, let's see. Person on your mind, no? Who is the person on your mind, mga Libra natin? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for Libra, please. Person on your mind, the one you are dealing with, right? No? Mga Libra natin. 3 cards for Libra, please. 3 cards for Libra. Person on your mind. So, let's see. So, you have this, no? Hispanic or Latino, no? For some of you. And then, short hair. Powerful. No, so for some of you, no, pwedeng again na vice versa, right? No, pwedeng kayo rin ito or person on your mind, no? So meron ditong person na with the Hispanic or Latino, sabihin natin na may pagka yung kanyang looks, no, something na parang sabihin natin na parang may pagka-Espanyol or something na kung mag-dress up siya, no? Sabihin natin kung babae man is parang mahilig sa wavy hair, no, ganyan, or flowers, no? Yeah, something like that, right? Or may traits siya na para siyang Espanyol, something like that, or Latina, no, or Latino, no, kung lalaki man, no, something na kung meron siyang something na parang nagre-remind kung sino siya, no, kung may something nakakaiba, no, parang nagre-remind na parang uniqueness, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, something like that, right, no, or maybe particularly, no, red lipstick, no, something red, no, kung sino man, no, kung babae man, no, or kung ikaw man ito, Libra, again, no, vice versa, is particularly, no, red lipstick, no, kapag ka nagre-red lipstick is ang ganda tignan, no, something like that. And then, of course, short hair, no, kung babae man, no, maybe you have this short hair, no, kung lalaki, of course, short hair, no, sa lalaki. And with the powerful here, no, for some of you, sabihin natin may authority, no, itong tao na ito, authority, or someone na who owns a business, who has a position, no, something like that, right, no, kung makikita mo rito, may crown pa rito, right, crown, so maybe talagang powerful for some of you, right, no, you are in a position here, or the person you are dealing with, right, no, mga Libra natin, no, someone na with command, right, no, sinusunod, no, something like that, no, so yeah, no, or maybe for some of you, blonde hair, no, or mahilig mag-blonde ng hair, no, something like that, right, no, so just take what's resonate, no, mga Libra natin, right, no, so let's see, no, ano pang meron pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo, the person on your mind, mga Libra natin, let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Libra. Ano pang meron, no? Tingnan pa natin. Person on your mind, no? For Libra, please. 3 cards, please. For Libra. Let's see. Tingnan natin. So, you have this, no? Secrets. secret, something is hidden from you. Someone is not being truthful, no? So for some of you, this person is being secretive, no? May mga tinatago or may itinago something, no? And then what else? So attraction, no? So you are attracting. So for some of you, no, you are attracting the right person, or maybe yeah, you are just being attracted, no, to the opposite sex, no, something like that, right? No, you are being attracted, or you are very attractive person, no, for some of you, right? No, so what else, no? Proposal, an offer or proposal in the near future that comes as a surprise. So, for some of you naman, yan. So, Libra, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, the person on your mind, no, parang mas ang nakikita ko rito, kasi parang may something happened sa past, no. So, yeah, ang nakikita ko kasi rito, no, someone from the past, no, parang ganun Someone from the past is being secretive, no? May mga itinago sa iyo itong tao na ito na nakita mo yung katotohanan. Something like that, right? No, mga Libra natin, no? So, talagang may mga pagsisinungaling na nangyari dito. Then, revelation, no, for some of you. So, maybe if you are separated to this person, no, right now, no, for some of you, or in the near future, you will be separating to this person, no, mga Libra natin. And then, the right person will come to you, no, in the right time. No? So, nakalagay rito, right? No, there is someone new, no, because for some of you Libra, no, you are now being attractive, no, you are sabi natin, yeah, no, nagiging attractive person kayo right now, no? For some of you. Maybe for some of you, you are, you have been through a lot, no? A lot of, from the past, right? No? And you overcome those, whatever it is, mga pains, no? From the past. And now you are strongly right now, no? For some of you Libra. And now, you are attracting people, no? Something like that na. And then from that, kasi parang nagiging more on ano kayo, no? Basta parang nakikita ko rito is nagiging mas attracted kayo right now, no? Mga Libra natin, right? And then from that, no? You will attract, no? Soon, no? Ang nakikita ko rito is in the future pa to, no? Mangyayari. You will attract someone, no? The person, no? The right person for you. Maybe the universe will give you this person, no? So, ano nakikita? Kasi nakalagay rito is the right person, no? So, the right person is will come to you in the near future, right? No, in the future, no, something like that, no. So, you will attract this person. And from that, no, this person will propose, no. Merong mga surprises, no, na gagawin itong tao na ito. Or in the future, there will be a surprise for you, a proposal, no, for some of you Libra, maybe something marriage, no? For some of you, baka ikakasal kayo in the near future or in the future, no? For some of you, right, no? Because the right person will come to you, no? Yung tama para sa'yo na ibinigay or ibibigay ni universe, no? For some of you, right? Mga Libra natin, no? So, there will be a proposal in the near future, no? So yeah, maybe for some of you, the person on your mind, no? Ang nasa isip nyo ngayon is parang from the past na, no? Or has ended na the relationship and now you are moving on, no? For something, moving on from that, and yeah, you are attracting people, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? So, what else, no? Pagdating sa, yeah, no? Kung if you are still in a relationship, no? So, tingnan pa natin, ano pang meron, no, mga Libra natin. What else? Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for Libra, please. 3 cards for Libra. Ano pang meron? Let's see. So you have this, no, Three of Cups in reverse, Five of Swords, and then Three of Swords. So yun na nga, no. So yeah, talagang meron dito, Libra, no. May betrayal, cheating na nangyari, no, for some of you, no, mga Libra, and may tinalikuran ka ng tao na ito, right, no, you are being stabbed, no, or being neglected by this person, no, and chooses the multiple, maybe this person is dealing with multiple person, no, so na-discover mo to, no, maybe ito yung mga secrets na sinasabi dito, right, no? So, mga hidden secrets na na-reveal, right? Because naka-reverse na siya. So, nalaman mo na ito. And then, this person is being, being defensive pa, no? With the Five of Swords here, no? Siya pa yung may lakas ng loob na manakit pa, no? Something like that, no? So, makikita mo rito, no? Siya pa yung galit, right? No? Ikaw yung nasa likod. Tinalikuran ka pang umiiyak, no? Siya pa yung nagagalit, no? So, siya pa yung nanakit sa'yo with the swords na hawak niya rito, no? Even though na siya yung may kasalanan, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. And then, with the Three of Swords talaga here, no? So, you are being heartbroken, no? In pain talaga dito, no? Mga Libra, no? Sobrang ang pain na ibinigay ng tao na ito sa inyo, no? So, maybe talaga ito yung person from the past, no? Something like that, right? No? Na binetray kayo, no? Nag-cheat sa inyo, no? This person is a cheater, no? Cheater, a liar, no? Something like that, right? No? So, talagang binackstab ka, hindi lang backstab, no? Pati front din, no? With here, no? Sabihin natin, pati puso, no? Talagang sinaksak, no? Something like that, right? No? And this person is dealing with multiple people, right? No? Sneaky talaga siya, right? No, kasi ang daming nakapaligid or ang daming niyang pinupuntahan na mga tao, no? Marami siyang kakunik na tao, no? Something like that, right? No? So ayun yung na-reveal sa inyo, no, mga Libra natin, right? No? So for some of you, no? So nalaman mo ito, no, may mga kakunik siyang iba, no, babae man lalaki, right? No, so marami siyang kakunik here, no. So ayun yung nakita mo na itinatago ng tao na ito, right? Mga Libra natin. So let's see what's the future outcome, no? Ano sabihin natin, no? So kung may future outcome pa ba, right? No, so let's see. Future outcome. O, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card here for Libra. Ano pa bang may in the future? Tingnan natin. No? So, maybe for some of you talaga in the future, no, talagang, ang nakikita ko, maybe you will be separating, no, or will be separated, no, or, with this person, no, in the future. or in this time, no? Something like that, no? Kasi binetray ka ng tao na ito, right? No? So, let's see. What's the future outcome for the both of you? So, you have this Four of Pentacles, no? So, ang nakikita ko talaga rito, right? No? For some of you, wala no? Kung makikita mo, wasted, no? In the near future, for some of you Libra, no? If you will still connecting, no, to this person, no? In the near future, you will see your time will be wasted pa rin, no? Something like that, no? Kumbaga parang iiwan, kasi parang on and off itong tao na ito, right? No? Kasi nga, this person is dealing with multiple people, right? No? Marami siyang kakonek na tao. And then, ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, mga Libra, is in the near future, no, this person is being wasted, no? Ang nakikita ko rito, no? No, for some of you. with the Four of Pentacles here, no? Kung makikita mo, parang wala na, no? Halos wala nang pagkain sa table, no? So, parang sabihin natin, no? Everything, no? Around this person is a waste, no? So, something na, ang nakikita ko is, in the near future, no? This person is, being left out, no? Left out in the cold, no? Something like that, no? Will be alone, no? If that's the case, right? No? So, ang nakikita ko, no? Mauubusan tong tao na ito, right? No? Ayun yung nakikita ko, no? Mga Libra, no? In the near future, no? This person will be, no? Mauubusan din to, no? Kung ano man tong mga resources niya ay mawawala sa kanya, no? Parang ganun yung nakikita ko sa kanya, no? Something kasi he did you no, something hindi maganda, no? So parang this is a curse, no? Parang kasi tingnan mo, no, kung hindi siya naka-reverse, ang ganda sana, no? Parang still in the near future, this person will not learn the lessons, no? So ayun yung mas nakikita ko dito, right? No, so hindi niya hindi niya hindi niya mala-learn yung lessons na dapat niyang dapat na makuha niya, no? Or dapat niyang maintindihan, no? Kumbaga parang sabihin natin kasi dito sa ibang cards is wala siyang no, nagiging defensive pa siya, no, sa mga kasalanan na ginawa niya, no? So kumbaga, parang akala na, kasi sabi nga natin, no, so, karma is real, right? No? So, in the near future, makikita mo, no, mauubusan itong tao na ito, right? No? Kumbaga, everything, no, around him, no, or her, that person, is being wasted, no? Sabihin natin, no, siguro, parang tatanda siyang mag-isa, or something like that, no? Kasi nga, hindi siya natuto, no? Dun sa mga dapat niyang matutunan, no? Something like that, right? No? Kasi, kumaga, ang dami niyang ginawang kasalanan, no? For some of you, Libra, dapat natuto siya. Or, sabihin natin na nahihirapan ako mag-explain. Yeah, no. Overall, no, ang nakikita ko talaga rito is universe will do the work, no, for some of you, no, mga Libra. Parang si universe yung gagawa ng way, no? Kasi nga parang ikaw kasi dito is no, nagiging ka kasi rito, no? Kumbaga grabe yung ginawa sa iyo ng tao na ito, no? Kung makikita mo dito, no, ikaw yung sinaktan dito, no, kumbaga parang pinagsasaksak pa, no, front back, no, parang paulit-ulit kang sinasaksak, no, but then paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa, no, kumbaga hindi siya natututo, no, kumbaga nadidiscover mo, that's the way, no, kasi kapag ka nadidiscover mo, or, di ba, in general, no, kapag may na-discover kayo sa isang tao ng hindi nyo intention, no, bigla nyo lang yan nakikita, no, or nalalaman without the intention of it to know, no, something like that. It's the way ni universe, no, kasi na yun, kumbaga tinutulak ka ng intuition mo, ng gut feeling mo, right, no, that's the universe, no, commanding you to do that, no, to discover those secrets hidden from you, right, mga Libra natin. So, ayun yung ginagawa, no. So, si universe yung nag-reveal sa iyo niyan, ng mga secrets hidden na yan, no, mga hidden secrets ng person na yan, no. But then, kumaga, dapat, from that pa lang, no, na nalaman mo na yung mga hidden na yan, no, this person dapat is nag-compromise na siya. Right? Hindi yung nagmatigas pa siya and then he did it all over again, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, no? Parang inulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa niya, no? So parang sa ikaw itong walang ginagawa no? Kumbaga parang ikaw, you are just, no? 'Di ba, Libra? Parang ikaw, parang, I don't know, no, kung bakit parang wala kayong ginagawa, no, mga Libra natin, no? Parang nakikita ko rito, no, parang kahit alam niyo ng may ginagawang kalokohan, no, parang still, no, or maybe you are just surrendering it all, no? So maybe for some of you, you are surrendered. You being surrendered all of this, no, kay universe. That's why si universe yung gumalaw, no? Something like that, no? So in the near future, no, so with this Four of Pentacles na ito yung nakita natin, no, na halos lahat sa paligid ng tao na ito is wasted, no? Wala, kumbaga makikita mo is walang pagkain sa table niya, no? Literally, no, makikita mo. So si universe yung gumawa ng paraan because you are decent, you are being too kind pa rin, no, to this person, no? Even though na grabing pain na yung binigay sa inyo, still, no, you are being kind pa din, no? So sa universe na lang yung gumawa ng way. So in the near future, ang nakikita ko dito, no, mga Libra natin is, no, si universe ang gagalaw, no, for some of you because this person is hindi siya natututo ng lessons Hindi siya natututo ng dapat niyang matutunan, no? So, pinaulit-ulit lang niya yung ginagawa niya. Right? No? So, akala siguro ng tao na ito is siya yung sabihin natin na siguro yung ibang paniniwala, no? For some of you, no? At siya, no, confident siya, right, na walang mangyaring masama, no? Or hindi naman masama, no? But then, kasi sabi nga natin, no, kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa kapwa natin, babalik din yun, no? Positive, negative, is babalik at babalik, no? Because you are giving it and then the universe will give it back to you, no? The way you gave it to the person, right? No? So, kung ano yung binigay mo sa tao, na kung sinaktan mo, ginawan mo ng masama, ay, hindi man yung tao na yun ang gumawa sa'yo. But then, yung panahon, si universe mismo ang gagawa in other way, no? Something. So, ang nakikita ko rito, no, this person is, no, hindi siya natuto ng lessons niya, paulit-ulit siya ng ginagawa. So, si universe na yung gumalaw. And in the near future, ito na ang mangyayari, no? So parang this person will be wasted, no, sa kanyang buhay, no? So will be alone, no? So something like that, no? So parang nakikita ko rito, no, mag-isa siya, no? So parang halos wala na siyang nakakain. So I don't know, no, kung ano man itong magiging future outcome, but then si universe ang parang nakikita ko kasi si universe, no, si universe yung gumagawa or gagawa ng way in the near future if this person is still not willing to learn the lessons or not willing to admit the mistakes or the pain that this person causes you, no? Kumbaga parang hindi niya kasi inaamin dito, no? Kumbaga, being, 'di ba, someone is not being truthful, right? No? So, talagang dinideny pa, no? So, kumbaga parang binibigyan na nga siya ng chance dito ni universe to do the right thing, Kasi kapag na-discover na ng isang tao, dapat i-compromise na, or I mean, i-admit, and then, 'di ba, repent to the mistakes you did, no, something like that, no. So but then this person is not willing to do, no, not willing to repent, no, something like that, right, mga Libra natin. So yun yung nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you, no, with that person. So let's see what's the message advice for you, mga Libra natin, no. So yeah, for the near future din, no, for some of you Libra, is the right person will come to you, no, in the near future. The one that is, no, destined, no, for some of you, no. Kumbaga ito yung para sa'yo na ibibigay sa'yo ni universe. So in the future, you will meet this new person, no, sa iyong buhay, right? No, for some of you. So let's see what's the message, advice for you, Libra, no, from the universe. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Libra. So you have this, no, I am courageous and I stand up for myself. So sinasabi sa iyo ni universe dito, Libra, no, to stand up for yourself daw, right? No, so yeah, no, maybe for some of you are still in this kind of relationship, of this toxic relationship, right? No, for some of you. So sinasabihan ka dito ni universe na maging matapang ka daw and stand up for yourself, right? No? Kasi hindi na to tama para sa'yo. You don't deserve this kind of relationship, this kind of person, right? No? There is still, no? There is someone destined for you, no? For some of you, Libra, right? No? So, merong ibibigay na para sa'yo, no? Sa universe, no? So, there is someone, sabihin natin na someone like you rin na with a good heart, right? No? So, ayun ang dapat para sa inyo. No? So, be courageous, no? Sabi ni universe dito, to stand up for yourself, no? To stand up for what is the truth. No? Of course, no? Sa iyong sarili. Because Libra is ruled, no? Ruled by the Venus, no? Kaya mapagmahal kayo, right? No? You offer unconditional love, no? Even though you are hurting, you are in pain, no? For some of you. Still you are choosing to love and to give love, no? But then people around you are just taking advantage of you, right? Mga Libra natin, no? So sinasabi dito ni universe, no, na it's time for yourself, no? It's time to give all those unconditional love that you have given to be back to you. Something like that, right? No, mga Libra natin. So yeah, no, so sinasabi sa dito ni universe, no, to stand up for yourself and so you can live your life to what you really deserves, no, something like that, right? No, mga Libra natin. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Libra natin. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, no? So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Libra. So yeah, no, let's proceed to you, I mean Aquarius, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin, no? So, let's see what's the message or kailangan yung